Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 22 Angelica Drive here in Westfield, Massachusetts.
Located in the exclusive Angelica Estates, this brand new property is nestled at the end of a cul-de-sac on a desirable 1-acre lot and is presented by John Glenn. Let's go take a look.
Hi, my name is John Glenn with the Weingarten team, and I am very proud to present this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial. This stunning kitchen is perfect for entertaining. Invite your guests around the large center island with beautiful quartz countertops and all new stainless steel appliances. The open layout seamlessly flows with hardwood floors throughout and features a gas fireplace with sliding glass doors to an expansive deck. The gorgeous bedrooms are highlighted by the master suite with walk-in closet, crown molding, and a spa-style bath. This home offers the finest finishes that exemplify the luxury one expects to find in a property. From the inviting front porch, 2-car garage, to the recessed lighting, nothing has been overlooked.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 22 Angelica Drive here in Westfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
I just want to read through this. Stunning kitchen, perfect for 2 takes.
You haven't got to the bottom one.
Yeah.
You gotta move your fingers. Sorry. 1-acre lot is presented by John. I gotta say it again. Sorry.
Let's go take a look.
Let's go take a look. Sorry.
About this property or would like to schedule a private showing.